Does that look dumb? Okay, we're not going to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you can move this thing. Now I can move this. I can hold my microphone placed very tightly. And I'm going to do this. Sometimes on some of these, it doesn't quite get in the right position. If you feel like there's too much resistance, stop, restart. I need to do this and bring it out this way. Notice that it's right over this leg. If it was like this, and the microphone was heavy, it would have the risk of falling that way. It's out over the leg, that's cool. You want to make sure it's at a good height. And if I actually put the stand back like that, they're not going to get bunched up. If it was the other way, these two pieces get kind of bunched up and I can't really use them. If you have it out like this, there's a potential that you might feel the need to tighten this too much because this is how it rises and falls. So find a balanced position where there's a nice amount behind and then there's also a nice amount in front.